Rachel, since the day that I said that I love you, I've repeated those same words to you every day since. For all the time that I have known you, seeing you smile has been my favorite thing about life. But being the person who gets to make you smile has been even better. Rachel, you are the kindest and most loving person that I have ever met in my entire life. I promise to love you unconditionally, forever. Through all the good times and through any unlikely bad times, I swear I will never stop. I love you, Rachel, and I can't wait to tell you that for the rest of my life. I love you.
Bradley, I don't think I'll ever be able to describe the depth of what being my soulmate means. You're more than a soulmate. You're a piece of my soul. You're my once-in-a-lifetime person. And you exist in my world in a way that nobody else does. You're my home. This life that we have built together is so beautiful. And our love can conquer any obstacle that life gives us. I'm so incredibly lucky to know you are. To share this life and be the woman by your side.
They're just such a great match for each other. They're so carefree and fun, and they're just goofballs. They have a blast together, and it's perfect.
I hope you guys travel the world, eat lots of Thai food, make lots of cute babies, and remember this day for the rest of your lives.